For this question, I kind of think through it in terms of just like, okay, how does this work for this particular instance? And then I would kind of work backwards to say, okay, well then what would the sort of formula equation be? And so I would kind of do this one in reverse order. So after it's purchased, the value of a new car decreases $4,000 each year. So I know the value is something, right? Something. And if it decreases by $4,000 every year, well, that's X. In this case, it's 3 years. And that puts the value at $18,000. So I'm thinking, okay, it's 18,000 now after those 3 years. So if that's the case, then that means that this is $12,000. 4 times 3 is 12, so 4,000 times 3 is 12,000. So if I add 18,000 and 12,000, I get 30,000. So I know it started at 30,000 and then it went down 4,000 after the first year, 4,000 more after the second, and then another 4,000 after the third. And now it's worth 18. So 30 down to 26, down to 22, down to 18. So I guess I've answered the second question first. What was the original value? It was $30,000 originally. But in terms of just like writing an equation in terms of V and in terms of X, so the original value is based on whatever the original was. So the original price, if you want P to equal the price at the beginning, like before you purchased it or when you purchased it. So minus 4,000 each year. So that would be 4,000 times X because it says it's X years. And V is in dollars, the value when it's purchased, or not when it's purchased, but after it's purchased. So this would be my equation that I would say represents that value. So I hope that helps you to kind of think through how you would solve a problem like this.